If you want to change file accessing permissions in Google Drive, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to switch someone from editor to viewer, give someone access, or update sharing settings on a file, this guide will save you time and make the process easy to follow. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Google Drive and log in to your account. Once you're inside your drive, find the file you want to manage. This could be a document, PDF, spreadsheet, or any file you've already shared with other people. After you select the file, look at the top of the screen and click the Share menu. This is where all of your file access settings are stored. When the sharing window opens, you'll see the list of people you've shared the file with. Here you can review who currently has access and what role each person has. For example, someone may be listed as an editor when you only want them to be a viewer. This is the section where you can adjust those permissions. To make a change, click the current role next to the person's name. If the person is set as editor and you want to reduce their access, click on that role and choose viewer from the menu. If you need to give someone more access, you can also switch them to editor, depending on what you want them to do with the file. The great thing about Google Drive is that you can control access very precisely. After selecting the new permission level, make sure to click Save. This applies the changes immediately and updates the person's access to the file. Once saved, the person will only have the permissions you chose, which helps you keep your files more secure and better organized. And that's it. You've now changed file accessing permissions in Google Drive. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can confidently manage who can view, comment on, or edit your files. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Google Drive guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.